Hello. Okay. Oh my gosh!
Oh no! It's raining!
The storm wiped out all the tomato plants. Oh, my tomatoes! Time to get some seeds.
We read you. Hey, over here. We'll start over.
Let's go!
And they succeeded. Well done, son. Joe Yen.
Thank you. Thank you.
And they lived happily ever after on their very own resilient farm. Come on! This needs a heavy lift. Oi, the deputy. Let's get to work. It works. Perfect. She's back. With teamwork and a little bit of engine grease, there was nothing the resilient farm couldn't handle.
Where is everyone? The main drive gear is shattered. We have to fabricate a new one. Ooh.
It's too tight. We can't get the angle.
Because on the resilient farm, they knew that the greatest harvest of all was the community they grew together.
It's all gone. Everything.
Of course.
We don't fight them. We call for help. A sonic lure.
For they had learned that the strongest tools weren't made of iron or steel, but of cleverness.
No, not the seed reserves. We have to drive them out now.
No, they're our friends. They helped us.
That's it. We don't have a bird problem. We have a food problem. We can make it. I can't believe it.
You did